cute kitties. Look at them. There's so much. This is Casper, this one with the spot right here. Darkness. Darkness. This is Darkness. I don't know. And one of these are, I don't know who that is. I don't know who that is. I think that's Midnight. Here we got Darkness. Cats are just my thing right now. I have like two at home. One's that one that's right. That one that's sleeping right there. This one I'm talking about. This one. That looks like my cat Ellie. She's really old one now. And then I have a kitten. Its name is Piper. None of them look like that. At least I don't think so, because none of them have fully came out, except for Darkness. Except for Darkness and Casper. I named Casper because I was like, oh, I didn't get to name any. So she let me. This one originally used to be Chubby Chubs, but I named it Casper. Who's coming out to play? Oh yeah, you need more music, don't you, so you get sleepy, right? Well, anyway, I got these. Well, I'm at my cousin's house because I want to come see her before she moves. It's gonna be a long way, so I want to come see her before she can move. This one right here, this one looks like Ellie and it loves me. You love me? You feel me? Yeah. You're such a true kitty. Look at it. Just look at this sweetheart. I want them to have a happy life with their mother and each other. The shoes are out there because I don't want to step on any. Well, anyway, I don't know how to end this off because I really don't want to. Because I want you guys to see all the cute kittens that my cousin's older cat had. Wait, you have hair on you. Let me take that off. There you go. You just want to play, don't you? Come with your siblings. Hey, will you ever calm down? Darkness will not calm down. Dude, if you get lost, it's not my fault. Hey, calm it. Go. You love me. You know you do. Come on. Hey, y'all. Yeah, I want to be really careful because I don't want them jumping off and hurting them. So let them fall a little bit because I want them to practice. Here, I'll play a song. You want a song? Here, I got a song for ya. I'm gonna get this. just yesterday. It was more